Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be changing from my spring summer bag into my fall winter bag. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So earlier this year I picked up this Speedy B25 in the Damier Azur nautical print, and I fell in love with the Speedy B25. And because I fell in love with it, I ended up getting this one for the fall and winter season. It was an anniversary gift from my husband, and I am so excited to start using this bag. So I'm going to go ahead and start by putting my organizer in here. So this I just picked up from Amazon. It has a base shaper that comes with it. I want to say I paid between $12 and $15 for this one. I like that it's not so structured. I do like to have a little bit of structure in the bag, but not so rigid that it loses that kind of softness that you get with the Speedy B25. So I'm going to take this section out because I don't need it. It takes up a lot of room, and I'm just going to use this inside the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and put the base shaper in first. And again, I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. I really do enjoy having a little bit of a shaped bag, but again, it is not too rigid because I love, like I said, I want a nice bottom so it's not sagging on the bottom, but I want this to be plush and malleable. So this is a great shaper, keeps it structured, but it's not too structured. So next, I'm going to go ahead and take off my bag charm. I did pick this up from the Louis Vuitton website. I thought it was just a nice little extra, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on my fall and winter bag. And then next, let's go ahead and see what we're going to go ahead and move into my other bag. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my Clemens wallet. I do have it in the Damier Azur to match my bag. And if you saw my last video of my double unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Speedy B25 in the Damier Ebene, you'll also know I picked up the Clemens wallet in the Damier Ebene print as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in my bag. Fits beautifully. So next, I'm going to transfer my sunglasses. These I picked up from Nordstrom Rack. They're the Diff brand. And I'm just going to put those in here. Gotta have your sunnies. And then next, I'm going to go ahead and pull out my Spring Summer Dior makeup pouch. And I am going to actually transfer what's in here into this little white Dior pouch I got free with purchase. It's so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer my Gucci face powder, my hair clip, have some Altoids. I also have a Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. I have 2 of the Armani lip power lipsticks. And I also have a YSL lipstick. And those all fit in here really nicely. I'm going to go ahead and put that in here as well. Fits really well so far. And then I'm going to put this away for next spring. And then it also has this really cute Longchamp. This is the pouch with handle. I usually carry this pretty much everywhere I go. I'm going to go ahead and keep this and put this in my winter or fall and winter bag. So all I have in here is my MAC Fix Plus. I have a Prada hand lotion. I also have a Saturday Skin hand sanitizer. And I have a Clinique Happy Mini. And I also have a Prada Paradox perfume. So I'm going to keep all of this in this bag and in this cute little Longchamp pouch with handle. It's such a cute bag, super durable, and it's so cute. I really enjoy having this in my bag, and that is going to fit in there beautifully. Now I will say I don't need to carry all of this, but I'm just showing you it fits so much. So next I have my AirPods, as well as a Chanel lipstick and a Summer Fridays lip balm. Those I'm just going to put on the side pouch area. There's a bunch of little side pouches in the organizer that I selected. And then what else? Oh, so here is my phone charger. That's going to fit in there nicely. And then my key pouch for spring summer. I am going to go ahead and change this out. Save this pop of color for next spring and summer. So I'm going to actually put this in this really cute Coach pouch I picked up from the Coach outlet online. I love the red. I thought it would go great with the interior lining of my bag, and so I decided to use this as my little key pouch. Also would be really nice if I just needed to run into the store to pick up a few things, to just put my credit card in here and have my key and just a quick run in, grab what I need, run back out to the car. So just really nice to have that. And that is everything that I had in my spring summer Speedy B25, and absolutely love this bag. Don't get me wrong, I will still be using this during the winter months. I feel like this would look really great with my navy coat, or even my cream color sweater, or navy, or even black. So I will still use this, don't get me wrong. I just felt like I was excited to get to change into my beautiful Damier Ebene bag, and so I'm just excited to start using it, and I just wanted to share what fits. So that is what the Speedy B25 looks like when it is packed to the brim. It is such a pretty bag. I'm excited to use it this fall and winter. Thank you so much for joining me for my bag swap. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like it, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, bye!